Right now, today marks day 2 of the inquest by Charleston County Coroner Ray Wooten. 2-year-old Elijah Washington was found unresponsive at his Mount Pleasant home in 2013. His grandmother's boyfriend, Brian Seabrook, was watching Elijah at the time and he was arrested. Those charges were dropped after the solicitor's office determined they did not have enough evidence to head to trial. News 2's Annie Taylor is live at the Charleston County Courthouse for us this morning. And Annie, how does an inquest work?
Hey, good morning, Octavia. Well, an inquest might look similar to a trial, but they're nothing alike. Instead of a judge presiding over the court, it's actually the coroner. And the only people allowed to ask questions to the witnesses is the coroner and the jury. On day 1 of the inquest yesterday, Brian Seabrook's attorney, Mark Pepper, called the courtroom a circus. He felt the coroner was asking pointed and leading questions and advised his client not to answer them. One of the main reasons Seabrook's charges were dropped back then was because over the course of the day before Elijah died, there were many people at the home watching him. So although it was clear he suffered abuse, it wasn't clear whether or not who or what caused his death. The coroner, Ray Wooten of Charleston County, is seeking justice in the death of Elijah Washington. However, those involved in the initial investigation still are unsure what exactly happened that day.
He was made more vulnerable over time, and then something happened that pushed him over the edge. But I honestly don't know what that was.
Now, during this inquest, if they find any new information or new evidence that shows that Elijah was murdered or killed by accident on the hands of somebody else, the solicitor will have to reopen the case and a new trial would have to start. Maybe charges would be pressed. Again, the day 2 inquest begins at 9 a.m. this morning. Live outside the courthouse, I'm Annie Taylor for News 2.